Hello from me and Maurice. Today is Tuesday and it's another quite different, exciting vlog today. Don't mind me, I'm just brushing my cat. You see all the hair that's just coming off him floating around the room. Why are you so cute? So it's another quite different, oh my god, just hair. This is why I get spots on my chin, because I can't stop cuddling you and then you always whack your tail in my face. On Thursday, G and I are going to Switzerland. I am so excited. It's both of our first times in Switzerland. Neither of us have been before, but we're going to Zurich and it's actually an early birthday present for me. So I didn't vlog this, but a couple of weeks ago I was having a bit of a shitty day. I was in a really kind of down mood. I went to a circus class and when I got home, G had set up a treasure hunt around the house. Basically there were little clues all around the house and at each clue was a little Lindt ball, which you guys know is my favourite chocolate. And then at the end of the hunt there was a printout with tickets to the Lindt factory and I was like, oh my god, we're going to a Lindt factory. He was like, it's an early birthday present, and I was like, wait, where is this? I didn't know there was one of these in the UK. And then he told me that we were going to Zurich because obviously Lindt chocolate is in and from Switzerland. So yeah, I'm so excited. It's my birthday next week, which sounds crazy because I just don't feel like it. Like, the older you get, the less your birthday feels like important, so it can just like creep up on you without you even realizing. Yeah, I turn 34 next Friday. No, next Thursday, which is weird. Oh my god, I've got cat fur all over me. I'm using a candle and my face cream to prop this camera up. And look, I've just got Maurice sat right next to it. So yeah, I need to pack today. Well, I've got obviously tomorrow to do stuff and pack, but I'm one of those people that I love packing and I like doing it early. Like, I'm not one of those people that leaves it until the night before. Whereas G is that person. I'd love to know what kind of packer you are, whether you're kind of packing a week in advance or doing it the night before. But yeah, I want to pack today. We have my friend Michaela coming to house sit and look after Maurice. She came around yesterday to so I could show her around, give her the keys. So yeah, we need to blitz the house tonight, give it a good old tidy so that it's all ready for her to come and stay, and then I'll just change the bed sheets before we go on Thursday. Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to go to a new country. I really wanted to not go away on any holidays unless they were places and countries that I'd never been to before. Obviously COVID then happened and I guess been away to France twice since the start of kind of lockdowns, because it's just easy, isn't it? It's close by. So yeah, I'm really excited to tick another country off my list. It also means we're only having a 3-day week this week, so I'm really just scrambling to do all my work. Got a massive to-do list and I'm working my way through it. I'm also trying to plan bits for my birthday. So for my birthday this year, I want to go and get a tattoo or a piercing. So I am currently just in the process of emailing some tattoo studios around East London to see if they've got availability. I've left it till such late notice, which is typical me. Can't wait. I am going to make the same lunch that I made yesterday because it was so damn good. So basically I saw, oh wait, let me just wash my mushrooms. I saw this easy noodle lunch recipe on TikTok and I made it yesterday and it was nice, but I feel like I could make it better by actually following the recipe and ingredients. But it's basically like a vegetarian noodle dish with garlic and soy sauce. I'm adding mushroom, coriander, but I'll show you me making this because it's really delicious. I'm adding way more mushrooms than I did yesterday as well. So I've chopped up all my ingredients. I've got mushrooms, cabbage, garlic and coriander. I'm going to fry this off now. And whilst that's frying, I'm going to make a kind of sauce for the noodles. So I need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. I've got brown rice vinegar. I hope that's okay. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of hot honey or sugar. I'm just going to use a normal honey because I don't know what hot honey is. Sesame seeds, and then this like red chili flake thing. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use some paprika. And I'm also going to put some sriracha in because I feel like it was missing some heat yesterday. I think that's the answer. And then into that, I'm also going to add spring onion. And I'm going to crush some minced garlic in there as well. Again, I added way too much garlic yesterday and I was ponging all day. So that's like my sauce. And then what you do is you heat up some oil and pour it in, and it like fizzles and like cooks the garlic. And then you can just mix your noodles in here. I'll show you that. Okay, I'm going to do this in the sink because I always get really scared that the glass is going to crack. So I don't know if you heard that, but that was just the oil sizzling into the sauce, and it kind of like cooks the garlic slightly as well. And pour it in, add all my veg, mix it up, and top with coriander and a little squirt of sriracha. And that is a pretty nice, quick and easy lunch. Quick look at what I'm wearing today. So I treated myself to one of the Skims dresses. I got it in this grey shade, and the reason I'm wearing it at home is because it is so long on me. I need to get it altered. I don't know if you can see that, but there's so much extra fabric at the ends that I need to take to alter and get cut off, but I really like it. It's super tight and it kind of shows everything but in a really flattering way, so I kind of like how you can see my little belly here. I think, I don't know, it's just something that really womanly, I should tone it like this, really womanly and kind of feminine about it. So I'm really glad I picked this up. I just need to get it, yeah, taken up at the ends. But one thing about that lunch is I definitely have some sort of intolerance to cabbage and soy. I don't know why I keep eating both of those, like soy sauce. I don't know why I always eat them. It's because I really enjoy the flavours. I love cabbage. So I'm just gonna stand here and watch myself slowly bloat up, probably throughout the course of the day. I am also on my period as well, which is why I'm a little bit more bloated than normal. But yeah, the dress, I'm not sure on like how much wear I will get out of it throughout the month, because if I am having a day where I feel a bit more bloated like this, then it isn't the most flattering. But there's something I still, yeah, really like about it. It's very comfy. But for now I need to like hoik it up around my waist so I can actually walk. Hi Maurice, where are you going? Oh, I didn't know you could get behind there. Hi. He's just sat there and now he's just looking at me. Why are cats just the funniest things ever? Okay, ignore my skin. I've been picking it, which is really bad. I changed quickly because I am going to start cleaning the house. Yeah, G and I are doing it tonight. It's nice for a house sitter. Also, massively exciting news. I got my retainers today from Impress, who I've been doing my teeth straightening with. So these are the aligners that I'm going to be wearing every night, but I have to wear them for 20 hours a day for the first month, 14 hours a day for the second month, and 8 hours a day for the third month, and then for, I guess, forever in the evening, like 8 hours a day forever, so that my teeth don't move back. So I guess my teeth are pretty much kind of finished now, like they're in the position that they're going to be in. Much better than what they used to be like. I can finally get around to like properly editing and writing up a review of how I found the whole process. That will be coming on my channel soon. For dinner tonight we have a veggie dish. It's black bean, chipotle feta, and like charred sweet corn and loads of salad. It looks amazing. Today is Thursday and we are in Zurich. We landed about an hour and a bit ago. Oh, can you hear those bells? That's so lovely. We are staying with one of G's old school friends who has lived here for 12 years and he's currently working, so we decided to go down to a recommendation he had of like a riverside bar where you can go for a swim and have a drink. And so I've got my swimming cozy on. I'm so excited. It's so hot. Oh my god though. Apparently it's going to be storming for the whole, like pretty much the whole time we're here apart from today. So we're going to make the most of it. But we are both sweltering in this heat. It's like 30, feels like 40 degrees. It's probably like 35. So we are on this like little jetty bar. It's called NG Bar. Engie. But I'm in my swimming cozy and the view is beautiful. It's a bit like a human soup.
That's quite spicy.
Oh my god, look at that! Oh my god, look! We just went to an amazing bar and we were walking back to our friend's house. We stumbled upon like some random music festival in the middle of like a kids playground. There's people like standing in a pool. It's so fun. I love it when you explore a city and you just stumble upon little treasures like this. Like we don't know what's going on, but it's cute.
There's nothing ever there.
I don't know if you can see, but there's just loads of people standing in a paddling pool and a stage. It is Friday and we are off out for a spot of brunch. Today is the exciting day where we're going to the Lindt factory. I'm so excited. I've got a big tote bag so I can like stock up. But G's booked us brunch at a place that was recommended by our friends. And it is called Roast Beans and Meats. We'll see what it's like. I am already obsessed with this place because not only do they have dirty chai on the menu, which is even hard to find in London, but we're sitting outside in the cutest little garden and the menu sounds insane. Look, they do a Reuben sandwich with pastrami and raclette cheese. Oh my god. I mean, that's quite a lot for lunch, for brunch, isn't it? Oh my god, it sounds so excited that they've got dirty chai. I've just dragged G into a supermarket because I love checking out supermarkets on holiday, and the first thing we both thought when we walked in here is, oh my god, it is so neat. Like Zurich is so clean and neat. Look at this. This is just not, it's not like this in the UK. I love it, it's so good. We have just jumped on a bus to go to the Lindt factory. So excited! Guys, the air smells like Lindt chocolate. This is mad. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. You get to just like free pour chocolate. See, whoa. Oh my god. Okay, we're in the gift shop. Oh my god, they've just got so much stuff I've never seen before. Like chocolate mousse, chocolate puddings, fondants. They have all the Lindt balls you can ever imagine. There's not a flavour here that they don't have, isn't it? Look, I mean, look. Oh my god. This is our basket so far. I've got some balls I haven't tried. I've got my favourite bar here, caramel and noisette. Got some hot chocolate to try at home. I'm so excited. So we just had our chocolate tour, which was fab. Went to the gift shop. We were talking about the fact, like, what we learned from the tour, and the truth is we didn't learn much because we were just so excited about chocolate. But G's also booked us to do a chocolate, like, what is it called? Chocolate making class. Chocolate making class, and hopefully we'll be able to make our own chocolate bar. So if I can vlog any of that, I will. But we've got a gift bag down here, and yeah, just very happy right now. Very happy, very full. Oh, very full. I feel very guilty. Don't show me the guilt. The huge bag of shame. We got so much chocolate in the gift shop. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do a haul when we get home with all the chocolate I got. Yes, I'm gonna do that. We've come for a really lovely meal at a rooftop bar tonight called Lamuna. We're just having some sushi, and we're watching a thunderstorm, which is so cool, but it's edging ever so close to us, but I love it. It was so bright and sunny a while ago, and now I don't know if you can hear the thunder. Oh yeah. Whoa. Hey guys, today is Sunday. I didn't end up vlogging yesterday. I had a bit of a funny turn, but I will be like posting everything that we got up to on my Instagram. We did go for fondue though, which was one of the highlights of the trip. It was so delicious. We've got a flight back today at 6ish, so we've just driven with our friends to a town called Rapperswil, and oh my god, it is so picturesque. It's gorgeous. So cloudy. It hasn't been raining, but it's very cloudy, so it's so loud. Come to a little rose garden, which is so beautiful. It reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. Also got some vineyards growing. Oh, look at all those grapes. They look great. Look at the view. Oh, wow. Bamboo down there. Pretty cute. We're on a bridge. What bridge is this? It's a bridge in Rapperswil, and it's almost a kilometre. Very cool. Look at this view. And our last stop today is back in Zurich. Is it Zurich West? And we're at a place called Frau Gerald's Garden, which is so cool. It's very East London. It's like a massive big garden with street food, and we're having hot dogs, and there's loads of little birds flying around, which is so cool.
Sites that they have.
So we can share.